What? Making mountain bike trails in the desert, part 11? Ah! Yo, so we're up here at the mountain a year and a half later, starting to make more trails because we want to again, which is cool. So, this is Madden.
Hello.
That's Seth. So, the trail that we have made, it's right there. It goes up the hill like that way. We're gonna go on and finish a little splinter off, and it's gonna come along the side of this potentially, and then go down this big rock roll thing, which has a bunch of different possibilities for fun and arm breaking. You know the deal. Yeah, look at that, dude. That's like a nice little roll that's super steep. This will be cool. All right, I bet this footage is gonna suck because I feel a lot of wind on me. So it's gonna be like, anyways. We are continuing a part of the trail that we kind of started. Colby actually started it one day. I'm not sure which part it was. Maybe it was part 5. I'm not sure though. He made this little splinter trail that comes off the main trail. There's the main trail right there. And it just went off to there, and then it was done. And what we're doing today is we're trying to make this go all the way down that white truck, but along the edge. So we already started. We made this cool little rock roll thing. So it comes down here. We're trying to make some sort of berm or something.
What's good, Pineapple Leaf Gang? Ryan recently died, so I'm taking over for him right now. Just want to update you guys on what we have done with the trails. We kind of are starting to clear out the trails right here. We're gonna go all the way down to the white truck. And there's Chummy down there. Just got here. But yeah, nothing much has changed. We needed two pallets. My guy Seth over here, he brought us milk crates. So I don't know what that dude is doing over here. But anyways, I just want to let the Pineapple Leaf Gang in, and peace.
I guess he will. There he is, Jake Ferris. We got working men now.
That is so
Keep going. Holy. Yo, dude, that is working. Yeah, so we have made so much progress. This is like, out of all the days that we've done this mountain bike trail thing, like years ago, this is almost the most progress we've ever made in one day. But I think it's because it's the middle of the winter right now, not the middle of the summer, so it's not 110 degrees. Like every other time we've been, like every video you've seen, it's been at least 100 degrees, I'd say. But now it's like 55 degrees or something. Yeah, so it's not bad at all. We're not getting real much fatigue at all, and it's just fun. This little spot, this is looking cool. Our thought process for how we're doing this right now, I'm going first, making like a thin trail just to get it roughed out. Jake's my demo man with the pickaxe. He's getting out the rocks that we don't want. And then Seth and Gavin, they're just going behind, making this trail extra smooth and stuff. So, yeah, I will update you in a little bit. So, it's getting really windy, and it's getting dark, but
Future Brian here. This clip is way too windy to even comprehend what I'm saying. So basically, I show that we're almost done getting to the bottom, and that we'll come back tomorrow. See you then.
holy crap, it's windy.
Future Brian here again. We're back up at the top of the trail, and this turn is really bad, so we're gonna turn it into a pallet berm kind of thing. We have 3 pallets, but we're probably only gonna use 2 on this. Use the 3rd somewhere else.
So what we're doing right now is we're rolling big rocks down to stack under the pallets.
We got both of the pallets in. We're gonna fill this little area with a lot of rocks. Same with that area. But we're just gonna go around and try and reinforce them as much as we can. Alrighty. So we've got all of this. It's pretty legit. We've just filled in the edges around the pallets because this was just empty. So we're trying to make it so we can ride over it. Over here is a big problem child because it kind of dropped off and just went down. So we're filling it in with rocks so that we can pull dirt from up there and make it rideable.
You're alright?
So we've pretty much finished the turn. What's been difficult is there's a lot of rocks right here that are hard to get out. So we've been pickaxing them. But yeah, we have a few cute little bushes that we stuck in the rocks right there. And yeah.
I'm just passing through New England on my way to eternity. But most of us are homeless in our hearts, honestly. And I'm classless, and I don't care what you think. I don't rely on you. Give me food and drink. My hope is in the Lord.
So right now we're just widening out the trail to make it easier to ride. And this should be an easy process.
We are dining like kings right now. Here, show the burrito though.
That's crap. Look at that. $7 for this. Can you believe that? Wow. We made this turn a lot nicer. This is a little further down the trail. We just pushed it up to have some kind of berm. And we widened it all out so you can go faster. So in theory, I'll be able to break down this to go down to that super steep roll down.
'Cause he is classless and he don't care what you think. He's got much more on his mind than what he's gonna eat. He'll get down on the
Oh, jeez, it's windy. Alright, we brought this other pallet up. We're a little further down the trail. We are going to make like a little platform that has a drop off. Alright, so we got this thing done. Give you a little run over it. Boom, 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 boom. Looks cool. I'm gonna hit it. So we're down here at this point. We've just widened out the trail, and there's a lot of. It's hard to tell on camera, but there's a lot of options to roll down this big rock roll. So we're just gonna clear out this area up here, like all this shell, gravel stuff, and then down there just make a few trails that you can splinter off and have a fun option. So we are. Wow, wind stopped. That's nice. We're making little trails that go down. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end it there for today, and then yeah, I'll be back tomorrow, hopefully with the first person footage. But for now, stay pineapple-y!